All right. All right, so today, kind of following along with what we've been discussing about setting techniques, we are going to take a little field trip. And we are going to go see a different kind of radiology exam that we do. We're going to go visit the morgue. So occasionally in x-ray, we have to go up to the morgue and do exams. Which is, just a little bit different than we're used to. We're used to trying to help people get better. And in this case, we are trying to help them complete an autopsy and figure out what is going on. So we will take our portable x-ray machine and we will go up to the morgue. And this is one of those cases where you can't set your automatic exposure control. You're going to have to know what kind of technique that you want to set for every exam that you're going to do. And it could be a variety of different things, from a chest x-ray to a C-spine to whatever it is that they require of us up there. So here we go. We're just going to go on in. I'm just going to show you around and kind of just let you know the area and what we would do while we were there. All right.
So this right here is the morgue. And as you can see, the table is kind of the central focus of the room. And then we're kind of just going to go around and just check out the room. I'll come back later with kind of screenshots of different things and we'll kind of discuss it more. But right now I'm just going to kind of show you just the way around the room. Countertop, lots of space, lots of gloves, skeleton. All the x-ray people have to appreciate that skeleton being there. The freezer. And then we'll just come back around to the table. And it's kind of a small room, not real big, but it's big enough for what needs to be done. And we're just going to look at that bottom part of the table one more time. All right, that's it for now. So this is the table in the morgue that the person will be laying on when we come to x-ray them. I don't know if you can see under the table very well, but there's a little circular base, and it allows you to swivel the table around the whole room, so it can do kind of like a 360. And then up at the top of the table, you can see just some tissues sitting in there. Those are tissues that were collected from actual autopsies. And they are for a visit. A bunch of high schoolers are going to come up and view the morgue area, and so they were collecting them for that. So here is a picture of all of their instruments that they use in the morgue. As you can see, they're laid out kind of over there on the side. And then in the sink again are more of those tissues that they've been saving for the high school class to visit. And then you see all their cleaning supplies and then their cabinets with all of their other instruments and necessities. So this is the morgue freezer. This is where they will preserve the body until it can be taken away. We don't really have a lot to do with that in X-ray. I just thought I wanted to give you the whole tour. So here it is. This is a great shot of the animated skeleton that they have in there. Very appropriate for X-ray since this is what we are going to be X-raying. And then above that, I don't know if this shows how old school our morgue is, but there is a view box right above it there, which I haven't used a view box. I could see them in probably about 10 years or more. But there it is. There may be those of you that have never actually used or seen a view box. So there is where we would view film if we still had it. Here's our digital portable that we would use at Good Sam when we would go up to do morgue cases. As you can see, the screen right there is where you would view your images, and you could basically get any image of any body part with the portable. You would just have to know all of your specific techniques and things you would need to use for different sized patients. All right, this concludes our morgue tour. Thank you.